In today's video, I'm going to be making some of my favorite easy DIY hacks using window clings from the Dollar Tree. And these are the Christmas holiday window clings. I love these. They have several different sheets at the Dollar Tree to choose from. And so I'm just showing you a few of the ones that I picked up. These DIYs are quick, easy, and they're fun for the holiday season. For the first DIY, I have one of these candy bowls out of the party section. You can use these for little cookie jars or little candy jars and decorate them to your likings. And this is such an easy DIY hack. I'm removing all of the stickers from this because I'm going to paint this portion using some red acrylic paint. I want to take a moment to welcome you to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. My name is Jenny and I create budget-friendly decor that is very easy to do. For this DIY, I did give this 2 coats of this red paint, letting it dry in between each coat. And for the top, I did the same thing but used some green acrylic paint. And I gave this 2 coats as well, letting it dry in between each coat. These DIYs are so fun and festive for the holiday season. I absolutely love how simple they was and how cute they turned out. Now I am going to bring in the window clings. Before I put the window clings in, I am going over it first with some of the gloss Mod Podge. And this is so that my sticker can adhere to the cookie jar now, candy jar, or whatever I'm going to add. I think I'm going to add peppermints in this. And it also give it that gloss look. And so I'm going to add a window cling on each side so that it can be decorative no matter what side that I style it on. And once I add the window cling, I'm going over it again with that gloss Mod Podge so that it can cover this and make it look as if it was added already to this jar. And this is not an actual jar. It is heavy duty plastic, but I'm going to call it a cookie jar or a candy jar. So now I'm going over the entire piece using that Mod Podge so that it can look cohesive. And so once I get that complete, then I'm going to go in and add another one of those window clings on the other side. And I chose these really cute snowman window clings. I absolutely love this sheet. This particular sheet is one of my favorite window cling sheets from the Dollar Tree. And so once I get the Mod Podge on, I'm going to choose my other little snowman. And as I mentioned, this was absolutely adorable. This is also a fun project to create that's budget friendly, and you still have that look of the high-end looking fun cookie jars. And so now from the Dollar Tree, they have these frosted berries and they are foam. So I'm just going to pull out the stem. I'm going to add a little hot glue because I'm going to place this right over that little plastic piece that's on the top of the lid, and that just gave it a little cuteness. And so by that little frosted berry being foam, it just pushes right on the top of that piece, and that hot glue is going to secure it. I did decide to add some peppermint, some little mints into this jar. And I did pick these star mints up from Dollar Tree as well. And that is it. You can do this any color. I think it's a nice, cute way to create a fun, festive cookie jar, candy jar for the holiday season. Another one of my favorites is using one of these cookie sheets to create something fun for the kitchen for the holiday. I'm going in with some white acrylic paint. Now, I absolutely love this. This is going to be styled above my range, and I just love this. I did give this 2 coats of that white acrylic paint. I thought this would have been really cute if I did a really pretty red, but I decided to do white since the window clings that I chose had a lot of color to them. So once I get it painted with the 2 coats, letting it dry in between each coat, I'm now going to cover this with some of that gloss Mod Podge, and I'm going over the entire piece using that. And then once I get that complete, off of that same sheet, I believe they had some really cute like little snowman decor, some snowman window clean pieces that had like little treats on them, and I just thought it was perfect. I did pick up these poster board stickers from the Dollar Tree to add baking to this, and so I'm going to place that on here first. If you wanted to use your Cricut to cut out the letters, that would have been fine. I mean, that will be fine, but I thought to use these poster stickers. I like the size of them and I like the font. And so after I get those added, now here's those window clings. And since I added baking, I'm pulling up the window cling that says Merry and Bright. I thought that was cute. And then I'm just going to have fun with this piece and add some of these other little cute little window clings. This one is just absolutely adorable, and I thought this would be cute with all of the little different little treat clings, because this is going to be styled in the kitchen. And I did add some snowmans, and on this window cling sheet, this other one I had from the Dollar Tree, it had a cute little coffee mug, and I just thought that was so cute. I'm just trying to fill in like the different little spaces and make sure that I kind of have this filled up and everything makes sense. And so I decided to go with this little first I was going to go with this little snowman here, but it didn't look right, so I switched it and I went with the cute little mug. And how adorable is that? I am going to go over this with some Mod Podge to secure all of my stickers on this sheet. And I'm telling y'all, this is so adorable, but it's also so much fun to make. And this is definitely one of my favorite window cling DIYs. And this can be styled on a coffee bar as well as like a treat tray. But I'm going to be placing this right above my range where I usually have my spices. I'll be switching things up for the holiday season, and this is absolutely adorable. Another one of my favorite DIY hacks is always using these candles and these window clings from the Dollar Tree to create some simple decor. And I'm just going to go in with some of that white acrylic paint. And I just used one coat for this. It pretty much covered it. And then I chose this really pretty window cling. But after I painted, I am going to go over it with some of that gloss Mod Podge first, like I did the other projects. And I'm just going to make sure that I spread that evenly over the candle, and then I'll go in and choose this really pretty window cling, and I'm just going to place that right on top, cover that with some Mod Podge. And this is another fun project to create a little cute candle for the holiday season. Another favorite DIY hack of mine will always be to use picture frames from the Dollar Tree. And I absolutely love these that they recently put out in my local Dollar Tree. I have one in silver and one in gold. These are so cute and perfect for the holiday season. I'm just removing all of the pieces from that. And I took one of those sheets from the Dollar Tree, one of the contact sheets, and I got the one that looked like brick, and I just cut it down to size and put it on the back of the picture frame, the cardboard piece. I thought this was a great background for the window clings that I'm going to be choosing. I chose the sled and the snowman because I'm going to be styling these frames in the office, and I thought this is a quick, easy way to style something on the tables, like in the lobby. Just a quick way to start decorating for the holiday season. And so I'm just going to peel off the backing just like I did the first one and just cover that cardboard piece. And then I'll choose my window clings. Now I did go over this with some Mod Podge before I added the window clings, just because I didn't want them to be moving around in the frame. So I'm just going to do one little thin coat before I place the window cling, and then I'll go over it because I didn't want it to be sliding down. And these frames are probably some frames that I can pull out during the holiday season to prop up on like the tables in the lobby area, and take them down easily, just a quick way. And so I didn't want the stickers to be shifting around. So when the window clings, not stickers, I didn't want them to be shifting around, and so that's why I decided to go in with the Mod Podge. And here is the one with the sleigh, and then here's the I believe I said snowman earlier, but I meant to say Santa Claus. So here's the one with the Santa Claus. And then I'm just going to add these into the frame, and that's it. This is always going to be in my favorite window cling DIY hack because it's so simple to make, but they turn out so cute. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and in the comment section below, let me know which one of these DIY hacks was your favorite. And until next time, my sweet friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.